Heck, how's it going?
Not too bad. Clinton, how are you?
Good, man. Good to see you. Good to see you.
You as well.
It's been a while since I've been here. The last time I was here, this place was a hoarder's house.
Yeah,
so, much has changed.
Come along a little bit.
Yeah. So, give me the lowdown. So you had the inspector come by, you changed a couple things, you didn't go off my plans and change some things, did you?
Yeah, we put this window in here.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be two on the side, but kind of didn't work with the deck that we put in, so.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we put this in. Since last time you were here, yeah, it's been framed up. Electrical roughin's gone in, plumbing roughin's in. So yeah, big change.
Big change.
Yeah.
I like it. So tell me the idea behind this window. Obviously you guys decided to put a window in same size as what's above?
Yeah, it's exact same width as above, so it just comes down, and it's probably twice the size of the one that was going to be in on the side where it was supposed to be. So just a lot more light in the basement, brighten everything up.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
And so now that we've done this, the inspector's asking for a header detail for over top of this window.
Yeah, so for this window and the side window, he wants just beef up the structure a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he didn't say anything as far as the fact that you guys cut down that wide opening, because obviously this opening wasn't as wide in the concrete before, right?
There wasn't even an opening in the concrete there.
Right.
So no,
Yes.
yeah, he didn't have an issue with that.
Okay.
It was more so just load from up top on the top of that window, the new window. So yeah, it's, I think, double, triple that up. And
perfect. I mean, from a cursory view, usually when I see a project like this where we've opened up this much, my first concern is about laterally unsupported walls, because once you exceed either 4 feet or 40% of the wall, we're laterally unsupported. But you guys have only really cut down 8 inches, so we pretty much still have the wall there. So
yeah, most of the window isn't in the slab, so.
Yeah, I don't think we've got too much of a concern there.
Yeah.
And again, judging by the way that this floor system runs, it runs this way, right?
Yeah, you're not getting load on the top of that window,
carrying a whole lot of floor load, so
you're not going to deflect that window much. And
awesome. Okay, so that shouldn't be too big of a deal there. Now you mentioned a deck. Now the deck was never part of the original plan, so
yeah. So we changed a window along the side to a door, so width didn't change of that. Okay. But yeah, we did get a deck on the side. So down the backyard, center of the backyard, we're going to put a fence.
Okay.
So this will be upstairs, kind of backyard access. So they'll come around and they'll shoot in the backyard here. That fence will be gone, so it'll be brought this way. So this is their backyard access. Gotcha. Downstairs, enter on the other side. So they'll go out that side. So you kind of have half a backyard each.
Gotcha. Well, that works. I mean, that works for the tenants. At least they get kind of a little bit of space each.
Yeah, yeah. So that used to be a window. So we went with the door that was the same width, but yeah, kind of
gotcha. Now,
changed
when that
that
door went in, did we take out the lintel that was there, or is there still a header up there?
Yeah, we redid that.
Redid the header. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And what did we put up there for a header?
I'm honestly not sure. Framers did it.
Okay,
so
we'll take a look inside and see what we got going on there.
Yeah.
Okay, so my initial thought when I'm looking at this looks okay, other than the fact that I'm just curious what they're going to say as far as setback. Do you know where the property line is here? Are we basically, the fence is the property line?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just over 4 feet.
Okay, from here to there? We're talking 4 feet?
Yeah, from edge of our deck to there.
Okay,
yep.
All right, cool. Do we happen to have a survey of this place?
I'm not sure.
Okay, all right. We'll have to take a look and see if I can find something.
Okay.
Because I'm going to have to demonstrate that that's obviously far enough away.
Yeah.
But that's okay. I mean, if all else fails, we can figure out how to work that.
Yeah.
Now, what's going on with the footings here? Because we're attached to the building, right?
Yeah, we're trying to get away with it before, as it was here, but yeah, he kind of caught that. So yeah, we'll probably have to end up changing that.
Gotcha. Okay.
To auger some stuff down. And
I can definitely see you might have to temporarily support the deck and get that done.
Oh yeah, we'll probably take those 4x4s off, get the auger down, and yeah.
That's no fun, but that's okay.
We'll make it work.
We'll make it work, right?
That's what we do. Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, so we got the vent going out there. That window is now staying the same size. It's not actually changing.
Yeah.
This is actually, as per plans, that's staying.
Yeah, so this side was supposed to have window there, but with changing that to a door, window under a deck, kind of, you're not going to get much light in. So yeah, that's why that front window we were just chatting about ended up going in. So.
Gotcha. So we got our door here, our deck here. Were there any other changes to the plans that we originally had, or we kind of everything else is pretty much?
Yeah, that's pretty much all.
Well, then that's easy. Oh, I can do some changes around on the deck and stuff like that and get that all taken care of. Okay. Why don't we go take a look and see what you got going on inside?
All right.
I'd love to see how it actually is progressing.
Sounds good. Yeah.
I don't always get to see these things once they've gotten to this stage. So
totally different than last time you were here. So yeah, this is upstairs.
Hey, we got a beam.
We do.
Look at that sucker.
Yeah, so last time
Beautiful thing.
you were here filming, we had a wall coming here and a wall there, so it was very
boxed off.
Very boxed off. Yep.
This is a lot nicer. Wow.
Yeah, so this, we'll have an island right here.
Beautiful.
Pretty much where that spray paint is on the ground, yeah.
What's the small line? Are we doing like a small little water line? Oh, fresh water then, I guess, right?
Yes, yep.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Cool, and we're doing some lights directly over top, some pendant lights that are going to be dropping.
So these will be 2 pendants right over the island.
Beautiful.
You've got pot lights in the rest of the kitchen. Down the hallway, yeah, it's pretty much, it'll be totally different.
Yeah, no kidding. I just even having this beam in here, it's amazing
how
that just opens everything up and changes everything.
Yeah, because kitchen was small, living room was small, and now with this being one big room, it'll be nice, yeah.
Are we doing the electrical panel over there? Is that kind of the plan now?
Yep, panel will be right there.
So obvious with all those wires hanging down.
Yeah.
And then, look again, we're looking at this. We've got a huge header over top of this window right here.
Yeah.
Holding the seat, the
Which
roof.
is, yeah.
And then we've got just a joist running. There's no weight there.
Yeah,
so,
it's...
oh well, no big deal. We can do that.
Yeah, I think if we double it up, you'll have not an issue with that.
All right, so what's the deal over here? What did the framers put in over here for me to work with? Can we see? Can we look? Oh, it's, you know what? That looks like it's still the existing header.
Oh, so they just kept window height?
They kept.
And
It looks like
so
they might have just scabbed that one piece in because that's all lumber up there.
Yeah, it is. So we didn't even change height on that then.
Beautiful.
So
okay,
that's
cool.
all existing. So
que sera, sera. What's there is there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then pot lights all going in across here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Right on. Okay, and then the rest of this layout's pretty much staying the same. Here,
nothing's changed back there. Yeah.
Yeah, I thought.
Yeah, it's just bedrooms, bathroom. Yeah, it'll all be the same.
Okay, now I'm kind of excited to see downstairs because downstairs was like an absolute mess.
Yes.
It was filled with crap
Yeah.
last time I was here.
Yeah, garbage.
How many bins did it take?
I think we were 4 or 5 bins. It was, this project was one of the most garbage bins.
Wow.
They were 3 days of a 3-guy crew just hauling garbage out.
Oh my God.
Mattresses, just, yeah. The guys who did the demo, were finding guys off Kijiji to come help and.
One dayers and they were gone again?
Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, there was.
Oh, did you guys actually opt to do a pan? You guys did?
We do.
Okay.
We always do a pan for our
that's smart.
upstairs laundry in case anything leaks.
Yep.
You're not causing damage.
So what is the plan? Because I see that your plumbing is actually running up through there. So you're still going to use that as your firewall because this is actually off to the side now, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so that'll be rock salt channel 5/8.
Beauty. Okay.
That'll be the whole jazz.
I've seen people do it one of 2 ways. If they put it in the back wall, then they end up having to do a wet wall and then the fire separated wall.
Yeah.
But that's kind of a nicer way. It gives you kind of access to everything on the side too.
And we've had it on the back wall, and trying to shimmy back there and hook that up is not fun. So side wall is.
Well, especially with the pan too, because you can't just like slide things in. You
exactly.
kind of have to lift it all.
Yeah. Sidewall. We always do our valves on the sidewall now, just for ease of installation.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a smart way of doing it.
Yep.
Okay, let's go see what's going on downstairs.
Alrighty.
Game on.
Yeah. So welcome to the basement. Totally different than last time you would have been here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where's all the stacks of crap?
I know.
Wow,
in those amazing 4 bins that I was talking about.
Yeah, no kidding. So
Yeah.
you guys opted to do a waterproofing on the inside as well too?
So 3 weeks ago-ish, when there was a couple days of heavy rain, I came here on a Friday morning and there was a good 2-3 inches of water down here.
Oh no.
So it wasn't so much an opt to do it. We had no other choice. So we actually had to pull the whole perimeter, all the framing down, about 2 feet all the way around. The guys came, dug a trench, put the weeper in, put the dimple board up. We got a sump pit under the stairs now.
I was gonna say, where did the sump pit?
Yeah, so we're under the stairs because that was kind of going to be storage anyway.
Yeah.
So
for good access.
Yeah, we're not really impeding anything there. So yeah, no more water down here.
Sweet.
We are fully waterproofed and good to go.
Always the challenge when we get into block foundations. Every time I see a block foundation, I get worried that this is what's going to end up happening.
Yeah.
But, well, I mean, I guess it's better you caught it now than before the drywall went up.
That's what we said. Better than it being, flooring down, baseboard in, and
I've seen horror stories of that happening afterwards.
Oh, yeah.
So what did we end up doing here as far as the fire separation? So you guys decided to put top plates over top of all of your steel.
Yeah. Yeah, so we do, our practice always is 2x4, 5/8, 2x4, just for that fire separation, especially with the steel stud, because you're not, I know if it was framed out of lumber, you can usually the double top plate sufficient, but this is just the way we always do it. We do the drywall in the middle because it goes hard to the outside wall.
Yes.
So if something were to ever get,
you know,
through the wall.
Exactly.
So this is just our practice, the way we always do them.
The biggest struggle I've always had with these is the fact that a lot of guys will use those double top plates, but then they leave that gap. And then the inspector comes in and goes, that's not sufficient. You're trying to fit stuff in and it's a fight. So no, that's a really smart way of doing it.
Yeah, so we've always done it, and we usually even do the blue fire caulking to the foundation wall. So
oh wow.
So it's hard to argue that it's not fireproof down here.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
so
that's always the biggest.
That's just the way we do it. We've always done it that way. So
very sweet. I like it.
No matter whoever frames our basements, that's practice for us.
Nice.
Like it or not.
Okay, so we got the panel that's going in upstairs. This is where the new panel is going to be going downstairs. So is everything's pretty much split except for heating, I guess, at this point, right? Where our
furnace will be back room, end of the hallway there.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so usually we do furnace one level, AC the other, so they're kind of splitting that cost. Nice. But yes, other than that, everything is totally separated. Just convenient, you know. You have a toaster plugged in upstairs, you
don't have to worry about tripping a breaker.
Exactly, yeah. Exactly, yeah. They're not home, your plugs don't work, so yes. Again.
I like the fact that the laundry is obviously right near where the other laundry is. That keeps things nice and tidy.
Yeah, almost stacked right on top of one another, and
But that worked out well because you still had access to be able to put that sump pump in, which was never really part of the plan to begin with.
Yeah.
It's always fun when things kind of go awry, eh?
Oh yeah.
You get to figure out how you're going to make things work.
It's the fun of construction.
But this is awesome. You know what? Honestly, I think it was probably a better idea putting that bigger window in because, man, it just feels...
Yeah, it doesn't feel like a basement.
No,
so yeah, we were supposed to have this, and then right there another one, but with that the deck's right there, so we went with that, and I
think that was a better option.
Totally opened everything up.
Very, very cool.
Yeah.
Very, very cool. Okay, and then we've got obviously our bedroom setup being 1, 2.
Yeah, you're 2 and a bit, kind of two and a den.
2 and a den.
Yeah, office den. Yeah, it's
the utility room that kind of messes this one all up a little bit.
Exactly. Yeah, so you don't have a closet in here. This can be an office.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is where furnace, hot water tank will go.
Nice. Very nice. What's with the steel stud track in the middle of the room?
I'm not sure.
It's just kind of a All right, cool. I like it.
Yeah.
Hopefully it won't be there when Brazilian channel goes.
I don't think it will be.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so this is, can be an office, can be, put a crib down here. It's something small.
Works well as 2 in a nursery, right?
Exactly.
And we ended up re-venting, I guess, everything as well too, because this wasn't vented out properly before. Right?
It was not. Yeah, this was an old oil furnace, oil hot water tank.
Yeah, I saw the tank outside. That's right.
Yeah, so oil tank was here.
Yes.
So yeah, all new. We got gas put in here.
It's always hard to remember this stuff sometimes.
Yeah.
Especially when the last time I saw it, it was filled with junk.
Yeah. I
almost completely forgot about the fact that there was a tank sitting over here.
Yeah, we would be in it. So.
I'm surprised you actually got that out in kind of like one piece too, right?
Yeah.
That's not usually how it ends up happening. You usually have to saw all that sucker apart.
Yeah, grind it. No, yeah, we ended up being able to get it out. So.
Right on. Very, very cool.
Yeah, so brand new furnace, brand new hot water tank.
Beauty.
Yeah.
Right on. So what's the plan here? How much longer do you figure until you're actually all completed?
I'd like to be 4 or 5 weeks.
4 or 5 weeks? That's not bad.
Yeah, so
what's left?
Yeah. Insulation, drywall, mud, you're about a week.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Floor and trim, you're just over a week, and then you're pretty much into paint and all the little finishing things.
And then the last 10% that takes 90% of the time.
Yeah, you got it. That's it.
Awesome.
Yeah, so right now, today, we're just working on venting all the stuff in fireboxes before insulation goes in.
Yeah. Cool. So you're just basically waiting on me to get some header detail for you, so then
pretty much,
you can get the inspector off
you
your
got
back
it.
And keep on working.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, once that framing inspection's good, we're rolling right on insulation and drywall to follow.
I guess the work's on me now. No
Yeah,
pressure.
no pressure at all. Yeah.
Awesome, Nick. Well, that's great. Thank you for taking the time to walk through all this with us. And
no worries.
Hopefully we'll have to come back when it's all said and done and see
Yeah.
the final product.
We'll have some pot lights in here, finished.
I like it.
Yeah.
Like it.
Be in the kitchen.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Appreciate
Alrighty.
it. Thanks.
We'll see you soon, Clint.
Take care.
Have a good one.